Find 805 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 0 and it is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 3. So again, this 3 is less than 7. So we put down this 5 and it is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. On subtracting, we get 0. So 805 divided by 7 is 115. So this much for today and thanks for watching.